Hello everyone, we are the Albany, New York visual arts team for the Back to Bach project. My name is Rachel Lee and I'm the regional director.
Hi, my name is Leica and I'm a team member.
Hi, my name is Artemis and I'm a team member.
Hi, my name is Maggie and I'm the associate regional director.
Okay, so we will be going over line, shape, form, color, value, and texture. So what are the elements? The elements of art is kind of like the ABCs of drawing and painting. They help artists create pictures. Just like you use letters to make words, we artists use elements to make art.
The first element of art is line. A line is a mark with length and direction, a continuous mark made on a surface by a moving point. These are some examples of lines. You can see that they can be wavy, zigzagged, straight, or anything else you can think of, but just notice how they're all one continuous marking on the paper.
So second, we have shape. Shape is a closed outline of a figure or object which is two-dimensional, which means you cannot hold it. So here are some examples of shapes. You cannot hold these, like triangles, circles, and squares. So next we have form. Form is the visual shape and structure of a subject which is three-dimensional, which means you can hold it. Like these AirPods I have, I can hold these.
All right, so the fourth element is color
And value.
So color consists of hues, which is another word for color, and brightness.
And value is darkness or lightness.
All right, so you guys have probably seen a color wheel before in your art classrooms, and in a color wheel we have the primary colors, which is red, yellow, and blue. And secondary colors is colors like orange, green, purple, which is made up by mixing the two primary colors together.
And then for value, you often see gradients probably in your classroom where you have one side being black and one side being white, and there's gray, different types of gray in between. And when value is applied is when you mix a color with either black to make it darker, or you mix it with white to make it lighter.
Our fifth element is texture. Texture is how a drawn object feels. Is it smooth, rough, or anything else? Texture may be actual, like how a dog has fur or a fish has scales, or it can be imaginary, which is something that you make up on the spot. Here are some examples of texture. We can see that the leaf has an actual texture, which means that when you pull a leaf off a tree, you can feel it in your hands, where other texture is implied, like cobblestones or rocks that you pick up on your path.
I will now be showing you all the steps to draw a little dog. First, start with a big circle. This circle will be the dog's head. Next, draw a teardrop shape on the left side and the right side. That will be the dog's ears. After, we will draw a circle in towards the left side of the big circle to be the left eye, and then on the right side so we can make the right eye. And both eyes should be colored in. Next, we will draw an upside down triangle to act as the nose with a U on the left side and a U on the right side. This is the dog's mouth. Now to the body. We draw the first leg by going down from the head and swooping around. As you can see, it's like a big U. Draw a line that is in the middle, and then make another U that is the same length on both sides. Now go from the head to the ear, and connect that little line. Now follow the line through the ear, but don't draw, and then keep drawing to make that little curve, which is going to be the dog's behind. Now do the back legs. Draw this back leg and make it connected like a U, just like the other one that we just did. Now the second leg, end the leg just under the leg that you just drew. So then we can draw the belly by making this little curve shape. Finally, we will draw the dog's tail, which you go up, then point, and then you round about.
Hopefully you guys have learned more about the elements of art, so let's test your knowledge by doing a little Q&A. What do you guys think the correct answer will be? First question, if you were to draw a sun using warm colors, what colors might you use? With option A, blue, green, purple, option B, red, orange, yellow, or option C, black and white. The correct answer was red, orange, and yellow.
And now for question number 2. Which element of art helps show how something feels, like rough or soft? Is it A, shape, B, texture, or C, color? The answer is B, texture.
Okay, now question 3. What does value show in art? Is it A, how loud something is? B, how light or dark something is? Or C, what shape is something? The answer is B. how light or dark something is.
And now for question 4. What's the difference between shape and form? Option A, shape is flat, form is 3D. And option B, they're the same. Option C, form is smaller than shape. The answer is A, shape is flat and form is 3D.
Now for question 5. This is a true or false question. All artists use the elements of art when they make something. The answer is true. All artists use the elements of art, whether it be one or all of them, when they create a piece of art.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed our presentation about the elements of art. If you want to learn more about Back to Bach, please hit the subscribe button or follow us on our Instagram at Back to Bach Project and visit our website backtobach.org. Thank you.